what? Whenever you watch something and sleep and you get all those flashes about that particular visuals, that means you really got involved into the movie, you got really engaged and you kind of loved it. Same thing happened with me last night. I was getting all these flashes of the movie Pushpa. I think you should definitely watch it. I mean, come on. If it's Allu Arjun, Ram Charan and Junior NTR, I have to watch their movies in the theater. Anyways, what's up guys? Kaise ho? I hope everyone is doing great. Pooja is calling me. Let me take this call. Hello? By the way, my friends Aditya and Archit left in the morning. They asked me to come for breakfast, but I was not like really keen on going out and having breakfast. I can survive on bread. It's okay. I still did not start packing and I have to do all this house chores, basics. And before leaving, we can't just leave like that. You have to check a couple of things. Gas band karna. I have to switch off a couple of electronics and all that. Then check if the curtains are drawn, if the windows are closed. It is very important to close the windows here because I told you, right, there's this huge construction going on. You see this particular construction, that will take forever, yeah. Because of which, not only sound pollution, but when you open the windows, there'll be a ton of dust inside. You see this? This looks like we did not clean it since the last 1 or 2 weeks, right? No. Yesterday I cleaned it. One huge, major disadvantage of having a construction beside you. You might have tried this, but in case you did not try this before, try it. It is really good. Basic peanut butter, creamy wala, and add a little bit of jam over it and spread it. It is really amazing. Chalo, we are all packed and ready. Most of the stuff I packed. Rest of the stuff for the biking trip is in the old house. Let's go. Because after coming back, listen up clearly, we have to go for one more international trip. Actually, I didn't want to go because recently I did Maldives. And again, when my family asked, I was like, Abhi, I spent for Maldives a bomb. I can't come. But then my dad said, why are you worried? I'm gonna sponsor you. Come. Kabhi I think it's okay. We'll have to take gifts from family. And that one international trip once again. Definitely excited. But before that, I have to take the BMW out. I have to ride on the two-wheeler for sure. I have to see the 4-lane highways and after that we'll come back. But right now, pretty excited for the bike trip. Let's go! Okay, quick pit stop at a roast. We are kind of discussing our itinerary. I'm getting like really bad looks from Charan because I've been planning this from a long time, but it's not happening. But I think I'm very positive about this. I think it's gonna happen this time. See, that is the look I'm getting. But I think I'm gonna do it. We are doing it. 3 or 4 days left to hit the roads. We'll be on the highways. I want to see the 4-lane. I want to see the BMW dash. No, I'll come. By the way, Shiva is also coming with us, most probably. By the way, Charan is also coming, most probably. We'll finish the itinerary and I'll go home. We'll go to the west side. Sorry, south side. Nishu. Okay, what this is? Truck. Aeroplane? This? What is this? Auto. What is? Wait, I'll ask you more. This tractor. Car. Metro train. Nice metro train. Where's tiger? Yes. Chalo, that was a quick stop at Pooja's house. Just came here to drop in some stuff and also to say bye because I'll be seeing them after almost 1 week. Chalo, now let's go home. Let's see how much time it's gonna take. Okay, it's not a peak hour right now. 4 o'clock I'll be reaching. 50 minutes of a drive for 22 kilometers. Let's hit it. Chalo, we reached home, sweet home. By the way, today I learned one more word from Pooja. Parched. P-A-R-C-H-E-D. Once again, English dictionary for you guys. Parched bole to extremely thirsty. Instead of saying, Sriman, I'm extremely thirsty, hamara fancy girl says, I'm parched. What is this, bro? Anyways, I thought at least once or twice in a week, I'll teach one new word for you guys. English word. I'm also learning. I'll spread that with you guys as well. Learn it. P-A-R-C-H-E-D. Once again, parched. Extremely thirsty. Oh my god. Fancy stuff. By the way, BMW is almost ready. I thought I'll take it for a service and all that. Not a service, but I just wanted to get it checked before going for a 1,000+ kilometers ride. You have to do all those basics of riding just to make sure everything is fine, but I think it should be fine. It's a pretty brand new bike. But before leaving this house the other day, I received some accessory. I had to get 2 more accessories. One accessory came after I left. One accessory was here already, so I unboxed it that day. I thought I lost that footage, but today I found it in this camera. So I was supposed to get this package almost like 2 months back. I ordered this in August, September, October, November, December. This is the thing when you order things from China. It is either hit or miss, but at least it came. Okay, not the best of quality, but works. So basically these are handguard extenders. This give you a little bit protection from the wind when you're riding on highways. Goes like this. These are not original BMW products. If this was original BMW, this would cost somewhere around 25-30,000. First of all, BMW doesn't make these. This is from China, fake product. It costs somewhere around, I think, 2,000 or 3,000 rupees. That is the difference. These are basically wind deflectors. This is already there, but this is like an extension. Apart from this, we have one more accessory that I think that is, I'll not say this here. I keep saying final accessory, but we keep on adding something or the other. But for now, I think at least for 2021, it is the final accessory. As you guys can see, I've already unboxed it. By the way, I bought this from Big Bad Bikes. Now let me open this, show it to you what it is, and let's fix it on the BMW. As you can see, if you guys follow biking properly, you know this logo. SW Motec. They make amazing premium stuff, German made. And we finally have the SW Motec Pro tank bag, magnetic Pro tank bag. Why is it, Sriman? Everything you buy has such a huge name. Anyways, as you can see, it is a very premium tank bag. It's a hard case, looks superb. It's perfect, in sync with GS's tank design. Let's go fix it up. By the way, along with this, you have to buy a bike specific tank ring. This is bike specific, so in case you have a Triumph or anything else, there's a different ring for that. This directly fits onto, let me actually show it to you. This literally looks like a horseshoe. Instruction manuals and a lot of screws. Okay, now I think we'll have to take our words back. We need the instruction manual because it's actually a little bit complicated. Because I think we need to remove the stock screws on the tank and then install this magnetic tank ring. So this is the ring that sits over here, exact perfect fit. I think we'll have to remove 1, 2, 3, 4 screws and put new screws that are provided by the tank bag. And what is so fancy about this particular tank bag is it's a magnetic tank bag, not your typical magnetic tank bag where it attaches to your metal tank. By the way, this is not metal tank. Under it is metal, but this part is fiber. So what SW Motec does is it's got this magnetic ring over which the tank bag slides, and it's very seamless, very easy to attach and remove. Let me fix this and quickly show it to you before mosquitoes come and eat me up, because it's proper 6 o'clock peak mosquito time. So you get these 4 spacers that you need to first put in here. This is the main tank ring. It splits into 2. This is the base plate. This goes over here. इसके ऊपर this main tank ring which has magnets in it. Also you get the small black bolts which go over here. That's it, nice and secure. Last 2 bolts over here and we are good to go. That's it, the magnetic ring is in place. Now all we have to do is slide the tank bag over this. You see this particular mechanism? I already fixed it with 4 screws over here. Actually this comes separate, and there's the string system that you need to attach here. This need to, this is for the unlocking mechanism. Ready? Just. That's it. It's tight and secure, and as you can see, it's nicely contoured here, which goes with the design of the GSA tank. In case you wanted a good tank bag like this, even the GS, this one fits. Apart from this, you have much more models, bigger tank bags. This is like 11 to 14 liter, I think, which means right now it is at 11 liters. You can open this zip and you can extend it more. It becomes 14 liters, which is more than enough for this camera and a couple of things that I can maybe put it over here. You also have this nice pockets over here and a few pockets here. You get a rain cover. This is not a proper 100% waterproof, it's water resistant, but if it's like raining heavily, which I usually don't ride in, no monsoon riding, I don't like it. In case you ride in monsoons like heavy rains, this will help. This is a cover for it, a proper 100% waterproof cover. Basic drizzle and all that, without any cover you can handle it. So the beauty of this tank bag is it doesn't touch the tank anywhere, and it keeps your tank clean and safe. Normal tank bags which are magnetic, that have magnetic pads like that, it is very useful, cheap, but then you'll have a lot of scratches, swirl marks and all that. This on the other hand, of course if you pay you get all this stuff, but when you have a bike like this, you don't want to spoil it, you don't want to ruin it. That's stupid swirl marks and all that. So yeah, this works. Let's see if I can mount this without even looking there. Can I do it? Single hand? Chalo, now we have all the luggage ready. We have the top box, we have panniers. Of course I'm not going to take panniers for this particular trip. We are good with the tank bag for the camera. I'm going to put I think a tail bag and the top box. We are good for 1 week of a trip. It's so well made that you don't even need to look there, just throw it there and it will click like